Trump unveils new health tech initiatives, revolutionizing healthcare with tech giants. A new dawn for healthcare technology, Trump's vision for a healthier America. In a bold move that promises to revolutionize the healthcare landscape, President Donald Trump, alongside key health advisors, hosted a significant event at the White House on Wednesday. This gathering unveiled groundbreaking initiatives aimed at enhancing healthcare technology and fostering collaborations with private tech companies. The event, aptly named Make Health Tech Great Again, introduced a voluntary commitment from several leading technology and health tech firms. This initiative is designed to create a more efficient system for sharing digital health records, a change that officials from the Trump administration assert will lead to improved health outcomes for the American populace. Furthermore, these new health tech initiatives will focus on developing personalized tools that empower patients to take charge of their health information, enabling them to make more informed decisions about their care. For far too long, the healthcare systems in America have lagged behind in technological advancements, and we are here to change that, Trump stated during the event. He emphasized that the current systems are often inefficient, expensive, and incompatible with one another. Today marks a pivotal moment as we transition healthcare into the digital era, which is absolutely essential. We must move away from outdated methods like clipboards and fax machines towards a future characterized by convenience, efficiency, and ultimately, better health for everyone. A controversial shift in health policy. In a related announcement, U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. declared that the department will prohibit illegal immigrants from accessing taxpayer-funded health programs. This decision has sparked debate and could lead to differing opinions on the administration's approach to healthcare access. The event also highlighted the Trump administration's strategy to create a next-generation digital health ecosystem. Representatives from major companies such as Apple, Google, Samsung, Amazon, OpenAI, Anthropic, Epic, Oracle, Athena Health, and Noom were present, all pledging to enhance health record sharing. According to Secretary Kennedy, these companies will voluntarily exchange information to facilitate better healthcare delivery. For decades, bureaucratic obstacles have hindered access to health data, preventing patients from taking control of their own health, Kennedy remarked. That changes today. We are dismantling these digital barriers, empowering patients and reconstructing a healthcare system that truly serves the people. This is our first step towards making America healthy again. The Trump administration is collaborating with over 60 companies to improve the electronic sharing of health information, including the development of applications that enhance the interoperability of health information networks. According to the Centers for Medicare Medicaid Services, CMS, these apps will tackle issues such as diabetes and obesity management, providing users with AI-driven assistance to help navigate symptoms, explore care options, and schedule appointments. Additionally, the technology aims to streamline services through digital check-ins, reducing the reliance on paper forms. Empowering patients with technology. Kennedy further explained that these advancements will instill a sense of responsibility in patients, allowing them to track their health interventions. If you modify your diet or exercise routine, you can monitor your progress, how many steps you take, whether your glucose levels are spiking, and all this information will be readily accessible to American citizens, he stated. This White House event follows a request for information from CMS, which was issued in May, seeking input from stakeholders on enhancing health technology interoperability. In addition to these initiatives, CMS plans to launch an app library on Medicare.gov to guide beneficiaries toward the most suitable digital health tools. A call for change in healthcare access. Dr. Mehmet Oz, the CMS administrator, echoed the sentiments of frustration felt by many Americans regarding healthcare access. People are fed up with the long waits for doctor appointments and the uncertainty of hospital bills. We are addressing these issues head-on, he stated. Patients are also tired of being denied access to their own medical records. These records belong to them. And it is astonishing that they cannot access them in today's America, Oz continued. Moreover, they are weary of waiting for Washington to take decisive action. This president made it clear from the outset that this would no longer be the case, and today we have turned that vision into reality. As we look forward to these changes, one must ask, will these initiatives truly transform the healthcare landscape? Or are there underlying issues that remain unaddressed? What are your thoughts on the administration's approach to healthcare technology? Share your opinions in the comments. Revolutionizing healthcare. Tech giants commit to patient data accessibility. For far too long, your complete medical history has been a scattered puzzle, with pieces held by different doctors, hospitals, and labs, making it nearly impossible for you to see the full picture. A groundbreaking new alliance, however, is promising to finally put those pieces together for you. In a landmark move orchestrated by the U.S. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS. An impressive coalition of over 60 leading corporations from the health and technology sectors has formally committed to a shared vision. Their pledge? To revolutionize how patient health data is shared and to empower individuals with user-friendly applications that allow them to access and actively manage their own health information. This isn't just a minor update. CMS Administrator Mehmet Oz hailed the agreement as the dawn of a paradigm shift in the U.S. healthcare system. A roster of companies signing on is a veritable who's who of modern industry, uniting tech titans like Amazon, Apple, Google, Microsoft, and even the artificial intelligence pioneer, OpenAI, with healthcare behemoths such as CVS Health, United Health Group, and Epic, the dominant electronic health records provider. But what does signing this pledge actually entail? By joining this initiative, these companies have promised to collaborate intensively to produce concrete results. Their goal is to establish a system of trusted, patient-centered, and practical data exchange, with a target delivery date in the first quarter of 2026. To achieve this, the proposal introduces a new designation called CMS Aligned Networks. To earn this title, organizations must comply with the agency's newly minted interoperability framework, which mandates the use of the latest, most secure standards for sharing data. In simple terms, it's like creating a universal translator that allows different medical record systems to speak the same language, ensuring your information can flow seamlessly and securely between your family doctor, a specialist, and your own smartphone. But here's the part that's bound to spark debate. The very same tech giants that have faced intense scrutiny over data privacy and market power are now being embraced as the architects of our new healthcare data ecosystem. This collaboration is a massive gamble on the idea that the convenience and innovation they bring will outweigh the potential risks. And this is the detail that could change everything. This isn't just a vague handshake agreement. The 2026 deadline puts a firm timeline on this promise, moving it from a hopeful concept to an actionable plan. The initiative aims to finally solve the frustrating and sometimes dangerous problem of data silos in medicine, where one provider doesn't have access to critical information from another. This development could fundamentally empower patients. Exploring the White House Health Tech Pledge. How tech giants aim to revolutionize healthcare. 6 provocative questions surrounding the White House Health Tech Commitment. In the rapidly evolving landscape of healthcare technology, Mario Aguilar stands out as a knowledgeable voice. He delves into various aspects of health tech, including groundbreaking innovations like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, wearable devices, telehealth, and digital therapeutics. His insightful articles shed light on how these technologies are reshaping healthcare practices while also addressing the business and policy hurdles that must be overcome to fully harness their potential. Additionally, he co-authors the free bi-weekly Stat Health Tech newsletter, which you can subscribe to for the latest updates in this dynamic field. If you wish to connect with Mario, he is available on Signal at Mario Joseph. 13. You are currently reading the online edition of Stat's Health Tech newsletter, your essential resource for understanding how technology is revolutionizing the life sciences. Don't miss out on receiving it directly in your inbox every Tuesday and Thursday by signing up. Recently, my inbox has been inundated with messages from companies proudly announcing their inclusion in an exclusive coalition of over 60 health and tech organizations that pledged their commitment to advancing health technology at the White House. By joining this initiative, these companies have agreed to collaborate towards achieving a wide array of objectives by the end of the first quarter of next year. Among the signatories are some of the most prominent names in the industry, including Amazon, Apple, Google, OpenAI, Epic, Microsoft, CVS Health, and United Health Group. The specific commitments made by these companies vary based on their respective categories, but the overarching aim is to enhance modern health data sharing standards, thereby facilitating technological advancements and innovation in healthcare. Notably, several companies have pledged to develop new tools aimed at empowering patients. Brittany Trang and I reported on this significant announcement yesterday, highlighting the implications for patient data accessibility and the future of healthcare technology. Stat Plus exclusive content. If you already have an account, you can log in to access this article and more. This piece is exclusively available to Stat Plus subscribers, who can unlock it to gain access to in-depth analyses, newsletters, premium events, and timely news alerts. If you're not yet a subscriber, consider joining Stat Plus to read the full story and stay informed about the latest developments in health tech.